this, I'm going to call this the bonus video. King George V Park, that's an entrance to it. Prince George's Park is irrelevant really, but I think underneath the playing fields there's a massive reservoir which is fed, and here we are at my secret canal. Getting it? Goes under the gasworks here. Still got water in it, still flowing, it's quite clean, biologically. Don't swim in it, but I think the frogs will like that. And here it is on the other side of the road. Get a shot of that. Just getting a shot of that really quick. Goes over there, see? It's fairly, like, it's hidden. It's not got the elaborate fancy bridges. I'll show you an elaborate fancy bridge in a sec. See what I mean? All these stones, how old they are, part of the gasworks. Canal goes right off over there, all the way over to Purrs. I'm actually further down the line now. I'm on my way to do my shopping, and I just noticed I'm crossing the bridge. So look, there's an elaborate bridge. You can't see it anymore because of the modern roads. You wouldn't even notice it was there. That's the other side. That's part of the gasworks. See? All over there, the gasworks, which is now the modern supermarket, so I'm not going to advertise. You make enough money. Look at these massive arches though. This is what I'm trying to show you. Massive black brick. I'm not an expert, I don't know where the black brick comes from. So that's an interesting point. But look at the size of it, all the way around. Keep it away from the gasworks. Streams go under there. There's viaducts, bridges, all sorts. And my canal goes along the top. So how much expense? You know, no expense spared. 1892. I'm going to keep you updated, don't worry. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And there's all the mills, Bury beyond. That's Bury beyond and all the hills. Woo!